What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I sound like a dying dog. What's up, y'all? I know I haven't shown my face in a minute because your girl was healing. You know what I'm saying? Your girl was healing. So today I'ma just attempt, as you can see from the title, this is just me attempting to install this wig. I'm about to show y'all this lovely wig. You know, she right there. The original plan, she was supposed to be purple, but look at her now. What should I call it? Rubiana? I'm gonna just call it Ruby for now. So mad ass, you don't pay attention. But you see the claws though. Guess yes, get in tune, baby. But yeah, this is me attempting to install Ruby. You know what I'm saying? Besides the fact. So I'm gonna come back to y'all when I got that bald cap on top of my head. Okay? Alright, so hear me with my bald cap. I'm applying pro concealer in the color chestnut. It was not focusing. Look at me, look. Shake my head. So yeah, you know, massaging it in, about to put it on and realize that ain't my skin tone like that. But when I put it on my face, you know, it be working. But you know, going in, applying it to the bald cap, making sure I'm getting every crevices, rubbing it in, getting it in. Yeah. Look at me checking my cute self out. Oh my gosh. You know, you get the gist of me trying to get the bald cap. You know, I'm about to apply the alcohol to clean around the edges. Hold on. I'm at the butt, I bet your car. I'm about to say Auntie the wire. You know I love a tiger. She like Poppy on fire. She like Poppy on fire. As I said before, you know, with the alcohol, ooh, God, that just burnt. Woo, that thing be stinging. I know what y'all boys be feeling after y'all haircut. That thing be stinging. But yeah, you know, clean around the edges where I got makeup on, you know, cleaning the area so I can apply the glue. Oof, that hurt. I know it. I can feel it. Listen, if you see that little Hot Shot Raid knockoff bottle, just mind your business, all right? This was the summertime. This was in July. You know, mosquitoes get in. Gotta spray them things. But yeah, burning. Like, don't call me if you ain't gonna call back. I mean, don't call me if I call you back, you don't answer. Like, anyways, Rihanna, please. This is the wig, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's a little frazzled on the top because I was plucking and combing, you know what I'm saying? But the curl pattern, trust me, I don't know what this curl pattern is, but I made it. This is my last time making a wig, child. I don't know the end of it. It's annoying. I hate it. So I'm here just applying the same makeup that I put on the ball cap on the wig, you know, trying to get in there. Oh my God. Sometimes I really just be weak off of the things I be doing. Like, it's crazy. If y'all could tell me what song I'm singing right here, I'll give you $1. Even though I already played this song in right before this clip, like, you should know what song. But what part of the song am I singing? Give me oh my gosh. I really be surprising myself when I go back to edit. But yeah, you know, I'm putting the wig on. Yeah, I know y'all see the color though. Get into the color. Ooh. Get into the color. Don't mind the lace, because the lace is there. Yeah, we know. This is not no transparent lace. This is an old lace, like, you know, the medium brown laces. I had to work with what I got. But get into the color though. Y'all see that red? I was so in love with this red. So here I'm just trying to, you know, make sure everything fits. You know, when you got the wig on, you got to make sure it's like, it's not centered, but damn, I don't even know the word. Hold on. So I got the word, you know, you gotta make sure it's damn it, I forget the word again, yo. What? All right, you just got, you know how you put on the wig, you just gotta make sure it's like proportionate, okay? That is the proper word. You just gotta make sure it's proportionate, that it's like the sides of the lace is not one side is longer than the other, you know what I'm saying? Like you see me here, I'm parting out my ear tabs, you know. It's like I have a small head, but I have a big head at the same time. I just don't get it. Like, you're gonna see how much I part. Like, I be trying not to OD, but, you know, my ears gotta, like, breathe. So here I am about to apply the glue. I think, okay, yeah, I'm applying the glue right now. You know, as you guys seen in other YouTube videos, you know, dot. I don't do too big of a, oh, well, I actually did really big dots. It all depends on how many layers you use too. Me, per se, I use maximum, what, three layers? You know, smoothing it out with the end of a rat tail comb. You could use a popsicle stick. However works for you, whichever works for you. It's your preference at the end of the day. I don't like to spread it too far, but, you know, I accidentally spreaded it too far with this one. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So now here, I was about to apply the lace, but then I realized I did not cut it in sections before I put the wig on my head and before I put the glue. So here I was attempting to cut some sections off so I could do it section by section, because trying to do the whole lace at one time is not gonna be good. So yeah. Funny thing is, my camera died, so I had to replace the battery, but then I already laid the lace down and, you know, put the elastic band, all that. So here I'm attempting to take it. Ooh, there we go. See, I took it off, trying to see if it looks all right. It looks okay to me. As you see here, I'm cutting off the lace, the excess lace, trying to get as close as possible, but not, you know, too close that I cut the hair. Y'all get the gist. So right here, you see me adding a little bit more glue because, you know, like the front of the lace wasn't glued down. Like with the area where I put the glue, it wasn't. Y'all know what y'all see. Y'all see me doing. Come on, y'all y'all get it. So I was just putting more glue because the part of the lace that was there didn't have any glue to stick on. So that's what I'm doing right now. Nah, but like get into that color though. Ooh, don't look at the lace. Like, as I told y'all before, this is the medium brown lace. This is like, you know, old lace. Like, I just had to work with what I had. You know, I had it laying around, so I had to just do it. But here you see me hot combing. I added the wax stick to my part. You know, I'm using the hot comb to flatten it out and really get in there and define my part. As you see here, I'm cutting the baby hairs. I usually cut them very long because, you know, once you cut, you can never go back. You know, using my Nairobi, however you pronounce it. Yeah, and then I put it on my edges and I realized I didn't, you know, curl it. Why am I struggling saying stuff? But I realized I didn't curl the hair, the edges first before I, you know, added the mousse to mold it. So that's what you see me here doing. I ain't gonna lie, edges is probably like my favorite part, but my worst part at the same time, because I be wanting my edges to look a certain way, and then sometimes the edge just don't want to like move with you, and you're just like, come on, bro. And you gotta move quick, but you gotta move quick and not to apply too much pressure when you're doing it, because I could just mess up the lace, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta be quick and gentle at the same time. I ain't gonna lie, I see the lace but don't see it. I'm not gonna hold you. I don't know, you see, like, I think I did a really good job, you know, working with what I got and attempting. You know, I am not a professional. I do my own hair, so yeah. Hold on, because you see when I rip that, ooh, don't look at that edge on the front, on the top of my head. I fix that later on, but yeah, look at that. Yes, give it to them. All right, y'all, I had to hop on my phone, you know what I'm saying? I had to hop on my phone, you know, my camera died. So, I guess it's the final look. Hold on. Because I know I'm gonna go back and switch things up, stuff like that. But yeah, don't come for me about the lace and all. I know it's not the best lace, you know what I'm saying? I'm just using what I was given, you know what I'm saying? This lace is not no transparent lace. It's like old lace, like lace. I think it's that light brown lace. It's whatever. I still fleeked it. Now, I know y'all can see the lace, so don't even be trying to come in the comments, you know, but thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you again for watching me. I'm fidgeting around because holding this phone is so weird. Thank you again for watching me attempt installing this frontal wig that I made. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I really do appreciate you guys still watching my videos and subscribing. I appreciate you. Don't make me sad. Nah, thank you guys. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.